Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. If you've ever pondered the importance of asset depreciation for maintenance teams, stick around. In this video, we'll uncover the transformative potential of computerized maintenance management systems, or CMMS, and how they're reinventing collaboration between maintenance and finance teams. We'll touch upon the integration of asset depreciation in a CMMS, and how it can streamline operations, reduce expenses, and lead to substantial cost savings. So let's get started. Ever wondered why asset depreciation is crucial for maintenance teams? Let's dive into the world of CMMS and explore how these powerful tools are revolutionizing the way maintenance and finance teams collaborate. First up, let's talk about the magic of integrating asset depreciation in a CMMS. Imagine logging a major repair once and having that data automatically sync with other systems like QuickBooks. No more back-and-forth emails or redundant data entry. This seamless integration not only saves time, but also reduces the chance of errors, making sure that repair costs are ready to be depreciated correctly. Now, aligning finance and maintenance might sound like a tough nut to crack, but it's quite straightforward with the right tools. For instance, if an asset, let's say worth $100,000, breaks down in its 8th year, the maintenance team can immediately see its depreciated value of $20,000 right in the CMMS. This helps them make informed decisions about repairs or replacements without having to consult the finance team. And here's something that might catch your attention: reducing expenses by cutting down on unnecessary software. Why juggle between a CMMS and EAM software when your CMMS can handle depreciation tracking alongside other features like downtime and warranty tracking? It's about optimizing your resources and keeping those software costs in check. Now, how do you start tracking asset depreciation in a CMMS? It's simpler than you might think. You just need 4 key pieces of information: the purchase price, the residual or salvage value at the end of its useful life, the estimated useful life of the asset, and the date the asset was put into service. Plug these into your CMMS, and it will take care of calculating the depreciation rate and annual depreciation value. This not only keeps your data organized, but also easily accessible for all relevant teams through the system or via an API integration. And if you're just stepping into the world of depreciation, don't worry. There are plenty of resources to get you up to speed, like the What is Depreciation and How Does Depreciation Work article from fitsmallbusiness.com, or the Explanation of Manufacturing Overhead from accountingcoach.com. These will give you a solid foundation in understanding how depreciation impacts overall business operations, especially in maintenance and manufacturing contexts. So whether you're part of a maintenance team or you're in finance, understanding and utilizing the power of asset depreciation within a CMMS can significantly streamline operations, enhance collaboration, and lead to substantial cost savings. It's all about making smarter decisions with better data. And that's a wrap. We've explored the importance of asset depreciation, the power of CMMS, and how they can revolutionize operations and collaboration. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Stay tuned for more videos. And remember, it's all about making smarter decisions with better data.